Well, yes. Hello, everyone. I'm just getting ready because outside it's so... The sun is up. Cebu is so warm. Talagang walang bakas ng ulan. We're going outside because the sun is giving, the weather is giving. Everything is just giving, you know? It's like Christmas. Who's there? What if see you sa Cebu? Puro ganyan! Puro kayo ganyan. What if? Turn your what ifs into see you or okay going. We're gonna go outside and look for lechonan. But unfortunately, wala kaming mabook, so just taking my time, you know. Just taking my precious time with my precious hair, with my precious heart. So, just crunching this curls. I'm done with my hair. I'm just gonna I'm done. Just to tap it all off. Let's go. You're gonna come with me. Don't go to Russia. I'm coming down. Kevin, wait. She's shaky. May mamadali. We're going to Lechonan or something. I don't know. Yes, nanakog Cebu. Hindi ko nakalimutan. Kaya do. Accessories do. Wait, hold. Kevin, wait for me. Wait. Wait lang, love. Nayawa na. Sabag dito ano. Okay, bye. Girl, bye! Ang yan ito pansin. Wait lang. I'm on room 1221. Hi, Jam. Hi. Sino pinuntahan niyo? Wala. Dito rin yung room niyo?
Dito din.
Okay. Ang papogi.
Ikaw lang, si Shane.
Nasa baba na sila. Thank you. Hey guys, waiting for me. Sorry kuya, talagang, you know na traffic ako sa taas. Ang daming Oo, ang daming.
Pero ano mo na, Google Map mo na.
Ano itong mga afam na to, oy?
Oo, ano sa plexo na lang. Tapos nagtali na lang. Pwede hindi.
Hi everyone, I'm back! Kala ko nag-end down. Hindi mag-end to. I met Shane, Shuiki, and Connor with a K. Talagang nabaliw na talaga ako sa guys. Hindi pwede to. Hindi to totoo. Ala, nga naman niya.
One run doon, take out.
Yung itong isang House of Lechon.
So yung dyan, may yung dine-in. Mayroong dine-in.
Ikaw na lang mag-decide, kuya.
Ah, sige.
Hala! Si Kuya will decide. I'm so excited. Sige.
Gusto tayo na
Everyone, yes, andito na po kami sa Cebu. Kiana with the FB10. Fuck you, Dimo girl. Canada na soon. Yes, I wanna go to Canada. Oh my God.
Ayala Mall nga.
Di ba sa Canada sila nag-film? O hindi?
Ay, wala.
Ay, hindi mo alam? Ano ba yun? May influence mo ba ako manood? Wag be. Especially kung
Araw,
bagetsy ka pa.
mamaneho sa Cubao.
Beep, beep, beep.
Ating nakita.
Hala, FB10 pa rin ako.